uh, internal second of our data science. So section A, data cleaning. Question 1. When merging data sets with different measurement system, ensuring dash between unit is crucial. So answer is consistency. So explanation. Consistency ensures that units like km or kilometer versus miles match across datasets. Without consistent units, merged dataset becomes inaccurate. Second, in data cleaning, dash in, dash out stresses that analysis quality depends on input data. So answer, garbage in and garbage out. Explanation, if poor quality data is fed into the system, the output will also be poor, regardless of techniques used. Question third, dash are systematic problems introduced during the data cleaning process that can be corrected. The answer is systematic errors. Explanation, these are repeatable errors caused by improper procedures and can be fixed by improving the process. Question 4, irrecoverable information lost during acquisition in AN. So answer is data loss. Explanation. So data loss refers to missing or erased information that cannot be recovered, often due to failures during data collection. Question 5. Replacing missing data with the mean of existing value is called dash imputation. Answer is mean imputation. Explanation. Mean imputation fills missing value with the average, giving an example and keep fixed to missing data. Question 6. Filling missing values via linear regression or curve fitting is known as answer regression imputation. Explanation. Regression uses relationship between variables to more accurately estimate missing values. Question 7. Always preserve both the data dash data and the cleaned dataset. So answer raw data. Explanation, raw data helps track change and allow you revert if cleaning introduces error. Question 8. Converting John Smith to Smith John is an example of name dash. So answer is normalization. So explanation, normalization standardize text to a common format, improving consistency. Question 9. Outlier detection is often used as a dash check. So answer, sanity. Explanation, a sanity check quickly flags value that seems too extreme or incorrect. Question 10. Function like Unicodes help remove inconsistent characters during dash repair. The answer is Unicode repair. Explanation, Unicode repair fixes encoding related issues in text data where characters appear garbled. Section B, machine learning concepts. Question 11. Transforming raw variables into more informative ones is called, answer is feature engineering. Explanation, feature engineering improves model performance by creating meaningful inputs. Question 12. Predicting a numeric value such as salary is an example of, answer is regression. So the explanation, regression model estimates a continuous numeric outcomes. Question 13. A model that fits training data perfectly but fails on how data suffers from dash, answer is overfitting. Explanation, overfitting happens when a model memorizes training data instead of learning general patterns. Question 14. Dropout and weight penalties are example of methods. Answer, regularization. Explanation, regularization techniques prevent overfitting by reducing model complexity. Question 15. Training multiple diverse models to improve accuracy is known as dash learning. Answer, ensemble, ensemble learning. Explanation, ensemble method combine prediction from multiple models for better performance. Question 16. A simple reference model for comparison is called a dash model. Answer, baseline model. So explanation, a baseline provide a starting point to judge how much improvement advanced models offer. Question 17. Independent unchanging data samples are described as stage data. Answer, stationary. So stationary data maintains constant statistical properties over time. Question 18. Parameters turned before training are called, answer is hyperparameters. Explanation, hyperparameters control learning behavior such as learning rate of tree or tree depth. Question 19. Comparing two versions statically to see which performs better. Dash testing. Answer is A by B testing. A by B test compare two models or versions to identify which performs best. Question 20. Normalization typically rescales numeric features to the range. Answer 0 to 1. Explanation. Scaling helps model coverage faster and treat all features equally. Question 21. The difference between train and test performance measures model. Answer generalization. Explanation. Good models generalize well, performing accurately on the unseen data. Question 22. Biased sampling in data collection can cause dash bias. Answer sampling bias. Explanation. Sampling bias arises when collected data does not represent the entire population. Question 23. A model trained once and not updated further is a dash model. So answer is static model. So static model do not adapt to new data after initial training. So a model, question 24, a model that continually retrains with new data is a dash model. Answer dynamic or online model. Explanation. Online model update in a real time as new data arrives. Question 25. The loss function measures the divergence between predicted and true probabilities is dash. Answer cross entropy. Explanation. Cross entropy is widely used for classification tasks to compare probability distribution. Section C. Deep learning. So deep learning is a specialized subset of dash. Answer machine learning. Question 27. Neural networks are universal dash of functions. Answer approximator. Question 28. A network with more than one hidden layer is termed a dash NN. So deep NN. Question 29. Each layer's output becomes the next layer's dash. Answer input. Question 30. CNNs are mainly used for dash classifications. Answer is image. Question 31. RNNs handles data with strong dash dependencies. Answer sequential. Question 32. LSTM is an improved version of a dash networks. Answer is RNN. Question 33. In a chain, the second model act as a dash distinguishing reals and fake data. So answer is discriminator. Question 34. Reusing a pre-trained model for a related task is called dash learning. Answer is transfer learning. Question 35. The wide part of a wide and deep model helps dash specific example. Answer memorizing. Question 36. The deep part captures more dash features. Answer abstract. Question 37. Linear classifiers combine inputs with dash and dash to perform predictions. Answer is weights and biases. Question 38. Activation functions introduces dash into neural models. Answer is non-linearity. Question 39. Adding neurons or hidden layers increases model. Answer is capacity. Question 40. Transfer learning leverages dash features learned from prior tasks. Answer pre-trained. Section D. Python data structure. Question 41. Lists are ordered and dash meaning they can be unchanged. Mutable. Question 42. Tuples differ from lists because they are immutable. Dictionaries store data as key dash pair value. Sets contain only dash elements unique. A DQ allows a last operation at dash ends. Both counter is a subclass of a dash that tallies occurrences. Answer dict dictionary. Question 47. A frozen set is a set that is dash. Answer immutable. 48. The heap module implement are dash queue. Answer is priority queue. Question 49. In Makeshift, each parent node's value is dash, then its children. Answer is greater. Question 50. Converting list into heap